The change in technology hasn't created crime, it's simply given the criminals new tools. And in the same way, it's not just the technology that's the problem, it's not just technology that's the solution. Of course, it gives us far better tools, although also far harder problems. But just as the crime is committed by individuals against individuals, so it's the individuals operating the tools and working in and with the systems who are the essential element in the fight.
Given the speed at which emerging technologies are developing, there is a sense of urgency to be equipped in order to build trust and ethic in artificial intelligence to fight against fraud. EY is committed to the fight against financial crime and to working closely with the European Commission, financial institutions, and other key actors in the anti-money laundering ecosystem. We are also proud to have developed with the ACCA the Economic Crime in a Digital Age report, which provides interest use cases and insightful perspective to build trust and ethic in artificial intelligence.
Financial crime has no place in business or in society. And while the progress has been made, we acknowledge that there is more need to be done to address it more effectively.
Visa is investing all the time in improving our capabilities to tackle economic crime, including online fraud and cybercrime. Our Visa Advanced Authorization tool, which is AI-driven, now helps to prevent $25 billion worth of fraud every year. Obviously, a critical part of everything we do using AI, including tackling economic crime, has to be underpinned by strong ethical values.
My main message of the day is that while the emerging technologies are going to introduce rapid changes and challenges for anti-money laundering and financial crime, artificial intelligence, blockchain, IoT, and other emerging technologies can be part of the solution for the financial sector and for supervisors. The European Blockchain Partnership and the European Blockchain Services Infrastructure, collaborating with our actions on investments in artificial intelligence, can be an infrastructure providing the way for the member states to address this potential scourge.
European Union is good in responding to the new challenges, new technologies, new possibilities of the crime with the regulation. But our weak point is enforcement. We must work harder on consistent enforcement and also try to spread the fight against the money laundering outside of EU, because the system is only as strong as is strong the weakest point.
Fraudsters are acting on an international scale, and so we do have to do that as well. So I'm calling for more collaboration between public and private entities in setting up standards, data standards that would allow to have a better view on fraud attempt.
I welcome today's panel discussion. I welcome the publication of the report today, and in particular I endorse the view that a collaboration approach between law enforcement professionals and finance professionals, together with greater use of machine learning and artificial intelligence, is undoubtedly the way forward to combat economic crime online.
Today's cyber criminals are smart, creative, well-financed, organized, and not limited by borders. In the financial sector, when we're talking about money laundering, it's incredibly important that we follow the money trail, because disrupting and deterring this crime, finding a way to stop the money flow from victims to criminals, we believe it's going to be key in making progress against this kind of crime.